This is a quick drill about how to create a practice drill in RTC. When you sign into RTC, you want to come to Create at the very top here. Once you click on Create, this is where you'll have a few questions to answer in order to make your file. The first thing is we're going to make this a text file. This means basically it's just going to be text scrolling. You're familiar with that, I'm sure. Text scrolling on the screen as opposed to audio. Audio can also be made, but I won't do it on this particular video. So we're going to make a text file. Here it should have exercise in the first title, and then on the second line you can name this whatever you want. So if you're making a practice file that maybe has words that you want to practice over and over, or it has beginning words or ending strokes that you're having trouble with that you want to practice, then you would just label it whatever you would remember, what this drill is, would help you remember what this drill is. In this case, I'm just going to put my practice. Okay. After that, I'm going to have text only here. This kind of determines the speed. If I say text, it's going to scroll at a particular speed. If you find that it scrolls too quickly, you can always come back and edit this file and maybe pick one of the word per minutes to see if you can change the speed that it's scrolling. I'm going to leave it text only for now. Here under category, it depends on what you're making the file for. Again, if you're making a drill, you can do briefs, or maybe it's theory lessons you're trying to refresh on, or it can be a number of these things. And I'm just going to put, I dare you, just because I need to put something there. Here where it says share with community, I'm going to uncheck that. Simply because what I'm going to put here, I'm going to use this file possibly for practicing audio from another site. So I won't really have any text here that will really do much of anything. So I'm just going to uncheck it so I don't share it with community. If you have a drill that's with words or briefs or something like that and you want to share with community, then you can do that as well. I'm just going to uncheck it for now. Where it says master copy, I'm going to put in some text. Now, this is where I would put the text if I was practicing briefs or if I was practicing trouble words or something like that. I would put those words here listed. Since this file is going to be for practicing other material off the RTC site, I'm just going to put any kind of text in there. There has to be text in here, and I'm just going to put a little bit of text in here, just to kind of hold open the file when I'm writing into it. And then I'm going to click on Save. And that saves my file. It always automatically comes up with another setup in case you want to save again. So then if I'm ready to play my drill, I would go to Play, and I would come all the way to the bottom where it says My Creation. And then, oh gosh, where is it? Sure, let's do that. So then I click on, I click the name here. I don't know exactly why that showed up, but I would click the name, and then I have two files that kind of showed up. I have, both of them are called my practice, but if I wanted to edit it, I would just click on the edit button, and I can go in and I can change the text if I needed to, or any other elements that I needed to change if I wanted to, and I can also delete the file here if I wanted to. Okay, anytime you write into these files, you do get RTC time. Okay, hopefully that answered your questions about how to create a file in RTC.